There's a place in the Atlantic Ocean where planes and ships just vanish. No warning, no trace, nothing. It's called the Bermuda Triangle, and for decades, people have been trying to figure out what's really going on there. Is it something supernatural? A scientific anomaly? Or just a big myth blown out of proportion? Today, we're diving into the mysteries, disappearances, and wildest theories about the Bermuda Triangle. Section 1. What is the Bermuda Triangle? Let's start with the basics. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a part of the Atlantic Ocean. It forms a rough triangle with Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico as its 3 points. It's a huge area, about 500,000 square miles of ocean. Now, here's where things get weird. This region has a reputation for making planes and ships disappear. Over the last century, more than 1,000 incidents have been reported. That's a lot of missing vessels. Section 2. Famous disappearances. Let's talk about some of the most famous cases. First, there's Flight 19. Back in 1945, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers went on a routine training flight. Everything was fine at first, but then the pilots started reporting that their compasses weren't working. They sounded completely lost, and then, radio silence. Neither the planes nor the crew were ever found. To make it even stranger, the rescue plane sent to find them disappeared too. Then there's the USS Cyclops. This was a massive Navy cargo ship carrying over 300 people. In 1918, it was traveling through the Bermuda Triangle, and, poof, it was gone. No debris, no distress signals, nothing. And here's a really bizarre one. In 1967, a yacht called the Witchcraft disappeared just 1 mile off the Miami coast. The captain had radioed for help, saying his ship had hit something, but he wasn't panicked. The Coast Guard got there in less than 20 minutes, but the yacht was already gone. It was like it had vanished into thin air. Section 3. Theories behind the mysteries. So, what's causing all of this? There are a ton of theories. One idea is that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for magnetic anomalies. Scientists think the area might mess with compasses and other navigational instruments, which could cause pilots and captains to lose their way. Another theory is about methane gas. Apparently, there's a lot of methane trapped under the ocean floor. If that gas suddenly gets released, it can create massive bubbles in the water. Ships could literally sink because the water beneath them becomes less dense. Then there's the weather. The Bermuda Triangle is known for sudden storms, rogue waves, and even waterspouts. Imagine being in the middle of the ocean and getting hit by a 100-foot wave. It's terrifying, but it could explain a lot of disappearances. Of course, we can't forget the paranormal theories. Some people think the Bermuda Triangle is a portal to another dimension or a hotspot for alien activity. It sounds far-fetched, but hey, it's the Bermuda Triangle. And finally, there's human error. Let's be real, this area is one of the busiest travel routes in the world. With so many planes and ships passing through, accidents are bound to happen. Section 4. Debunking the mystery. Here's the thing, though. When researchers actually looked into it, they found that the Bermuda Triangle isn't any more dangerous than other busy travel routes. In fact, in 2013, a study on the world's most dangerous shipping routes didn't even include the Bermuda Triangle. A lot of the mystery seems to come from exaggerated stories and media hype. Conclusion. So, what's the deal with the Bermuda Triangle? Is it a supernatural hotspot, a scientific oddity, or just a made-up legend? Maybe it's a little bit of everything. What's clear is that the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle keeps us hooked. What do you think? Is there something truly strange going on, or are we just drawn to stories we can't explain? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.